She wants that show to her how play with this. Diu que vinguis, que entris un moment que t'ensenyarà a jugar.
Oh yeah, she was saying, can you show me how to do that? That's what she was trying to say.
Yeah, please.
Please.
Well, she can show you.
Okay.
How old is she?
You're in jail. You never get out of jail until I tell you why.
How old is she? How old is she?
Get you down, Missy. You're 3 years old. Is she? No. 3.
She's 3?
And don't tell me
Oh.
that.
She's gonna be big.
Hey girl, you can't all go over there.
Tanit, ensenya-li la nena.
Stay over here. Over here. I can go whenever
What?
I want to go. I didn't like have pictures.
Yeah.
I didn't go over.
And there's tourists coming, they might run you over.
You.
Tanit!
Hey.
Run around, okay? And then I catch you.
Is that you? Okay, I can find for you. Okay. Let me try to find.